This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. In this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, commodity pairs. Before that, let us look at the economic calendar for today. Today is Wednesday, May 25th. When we look at the news plan for today, at 7:30 AM, we have high impacting news coming up for New Zealand dollar. Then at 1:30 PM we have medium impacting news for euro related currency pairs. 4:30 PM we have medium impacting news coming up for Japanese yen related currency pairs. Then at 6 PM we have medium impacting news for US dollar currency pairs. Again at 11:30 PM we have high impacting news coming up for US dollar related currency pairs. So requesting you to consider this news calendar schedule also while planning for your trade entry and exit. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame of gold, US dollar currency pairs. So when we look at the current trend of the price action, from here the price action started to go on a bullish trend. It was continuously on a bullish trend. Then it went up to the resistance level of 2067 and currently it has retraced to the level where it started is bullish trend. From this point, currently the price action is on a retracement. When we draw a resistance line and check the current trend of the price action, from here it started falling on a bearish trend reversal. So it has tested this resistance line once and it went on a bearish trend reversal. Currently it has taken support on the previous support level and it is on a retracement. So if the price action continues on a retracement also, we can expect it to bounce back from this resistance line. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the continuation of the bullish trend reversal. And when we draw a channel pattern and check the current trend of the price action, from this point I am connecting the highs. So looking at this channel pattern, currently the price action has taken support on this channel pattern and it has bounced back on the bullish side. But overall when we look at the price action, it is forming into a triangle pattern. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the further continuation of this bullish trend. Again we are noticing the resistance line of the channel pattern coming over here. So it has to break this resistance line also in order to further continue its bullish side trend. It is trading within a bullish channel pattern. So overall trend in daily time frame is in a bullish side. Only when the price action breaks the support line, we can expect the bearish trend reversal to start in daily time frame. And when we look at the support and resistance levels in daily time frame, currently the price action has retraced up to the resistance level of 38.20% in Fibonacci's retracement tool, which is going to be around 1866. This level had acted as a very strong resistance level in the past also. So if the price action needs to continue its bullish retracement, it has to break this resistance level in order to continue further. Next level of resistance is going to be around 50% retracement level, which is around 1892. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, currently it is trading around the resistance level of 1866 from the daily time frame. Previously we have noticed this level to be acting as a very strong support level. Currently this level is acting as a resistance level. To understand the current trend of the price action, I would recommend you to draw trend lines like this. As long as the price action is trading above this trend line, it is still in a bullish trend. Only when the price action breaks this trend line, we can expect the bearish trend to start in hourly time frame. So next level of support is going to be around 1836 Only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect it to retrace and take support on the bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame. This whole area is a very strong support zone from the bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame. Only when the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect the bearish trend reversal to start in hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action is in a very nice bullish trend. If the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance level, we can expect it to retrace up to this support line or trend line from the hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. In 30 minutes time frame, I'm drawing one more resistance line over here and the support line also. So when we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it is very nicely moving within a bullish channel pattern. Currently it is finding difficult to break this resistance level from the daily time frame, and if it doesn't manage to break this resistance level, we can expect it to retrace to retest on this support line from the bullish channel pattern, and only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect it to come further down to retest on this support line from the hourly time frame. So we have two levels of supports in 30 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, previously the price action was in a bearish trend and took support on the from the 30 minutes time frame channel pattern. Again it went on a bullish trend reversal. Currently when we notice the price action, it couldn't break the resistance level of 1866 from the daily time frame, and currently the price action is in a sideways or in a consolidation. And when we draw a trend line to check the current trend of the price action, it has not broken this trend line or the support line. So wait for the price action to retest on this trend line. If the price action breaks this support line, we can take trades on the bearish side, in which case the 30 minutes time frame support line will be acting as a next level of support. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, next level of resistance is going to be the resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame bullish channel pattern. So as long as the price action doesn't break the support line of the bullish channel pattern, it is still in a very nice bullish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for the 5 minutes time frame, and the values in blue color boxes are the resistance line from the higher time frame. Currently the price action is struggling to break this resistance level. Wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to take trades on the bullish side, otherwise it will be the bounce back on the bearish side. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.